Right then, got the bits back from the powder coaters now, so I'm gonna back the truck up, get it out, and we'll have a little butcher's. I've had a quick look, looks 10 times better than it did. Obviously they're not perfect, because obviously when stuff's corroded and stuff gets sandblasted, it's not obviously like brand new original. You'd have to buy brand new parts for that, but it's really tidied it up, so it is definitely worth doing. So I'll back this up here now and we'll have a look. Okay then, so it's all wrapped up in the back, but as you can see what I mean with the pitting. Obviously that's where it's been obviously pitted or corroded before, but as you can see it's literally, I'll get them all wrapped proper. I'll get one out. Like I say, we've whacked some bolts in here temporary to obviously protect the threads, but as you can see 10 times better. In here, obviously ready for the bushes. Might be a bit tight because obviously there's paint in there. We might have to clear that out, but I don't think we will. But let's quickly clear it over. Just a bit of dust, but yeah, it's going to look 100% better on the car. Everything else all wrapped up in like a cling film, got a box of bits there. Alright, Dave's actually turned up, he's managed to keep himself out of a beer garden, where Jack is in a beer garden today, so it's either one or the other. Let's get his first reactions on it. I was laughing at me, that's Stokes cam, that is.
When did you go and get this?
I told you yesterday I was going to get it.
No, you didn't. You said it's ready. I said, oh, what time did Jack finish?
Yeah, and I said it shuts at he's shutting at 1, so I had to go over.
No, you didn't say you were going over. Left me out again.
Apparently left Dave out, but yeah.
Left me out again. Granted, last weekend, right, yeah, might have been my fault a little bit.
Well, you got stuck in a beer garden, didn't you, Dave?
Did get stuck in a beer garden, I'm
and
not gonna lie.
Where's Jack today, though?
Stuck in a beer garden.
So I can go to beer gardens, not getting stuck in them, but... Hold on, let me...
And he's done nothing but message and call me today. Normally when Jack's around, he just messages and calls.
Do you know why I message and call? Because I'm by myself, right? And as you can see, I've got to drag that out. Right. Anyway, let's have a look at these powder coated bits, Dan.
Yeah, come on then. It is what it is, isn't it?
Well,
you still see... Do you see that there, right? See how you can see that quite clearly?
The Ford, there.
I've just been and had a look at the wheels.
Yeah, what are you saying, Dave?
Jake's, because I've said I'm not. You know the Ford badge?
Yeah.
Can't really see the Ford badge.
Well, that...
But look how good you can see the Ford badge there. And that one's out, sticks out, and it's like he's filled it in.
I know what you're saying.
And then you see how this
he's probably done it thicker though.
See how this is pitted?
Yeah, but that's pitted because obviously that was probably rusted before.
Yeah, but
and obviously you're going to get that.
There's quite a lot of pitting on the wheels.
Well, we'll go and have a look, because at them wheels, at the end of the day, I mean, I don't mind this being a bit pitted.
Yeah, no, but I understand.
Obviously that's rusted.
But he said, oh, it rusts. I said, they're alloy. Yeah. Alloy don't rust.
They can, like, oxidinate.
Yeah, but it don't rust.
I don't know what it's called, but they do something. But they weren't before. Well, then what he'll have to do,
and then he was like...
them and paint them. Yeah, right, I'll put this camera down.
They look alright.
They've got the Dave seal of approval, he ain't kicked off yet. And
nah,
he's already buying me for the wheels.
Just do it all on your own, man.
So we pulled up to Jake's. He's got the wheels done. We were supposed to be taking them somewhere else where Dave didn't quite know I was getting them done at this other place, so he's kicked off.
I haven't kicked off. I was just meant to get a set of mine done, and I've been waiting. And
apparently he's been waiting, but he's been waiting for about 2 years to get this other set done. But anyway, we're up at Jake's now. I think Jake and him, but
Jake's not in, so we're gonna have a look at these wheels now.
Yeah, and
let's slag them off.
Not paying. know what you're saying. There's a few little. There's that there.
All I'm saying is look at the forward badge.
Yeah, I know.
You can't really see it.
You can.
But look. No, you can't. Look how clear that is.
Yeah,
Look at that.
Yeah, I know what you're
And
saying,
then
but you can
look
see
here.
it.
Look at the picture in there.
Yeah, I know what you mean, but.
Here, look. Look at it. Don't say that's not. Don't fucking say. I'm not being a dickhead. I'm just saying.
Yeah.
Look how clear them are. On the forward badge, that's all I was saying. That it's filled in a little bit too much.
I have to see if you can get rid of that. That one looks mint.
Look.
Oh, you get. Yeah, no, they look great
Look.
from afar, don't they?
Bruh.
Yeah, I know what you're saying.
I never said they're awful. Personally, I think there's a few bits up with them.
Whilst we're here, we're going to drop this off. Because Jake's going to get Midlands turbos to get it sorted. You right there, Dave?
Yeah. I don't want to damage the rack top wheels.
Oh, don't let them bump into each other.
Funny.
So yeah, the wheels are better, but
They're not.
they're not like, I don't know. Are we being too picky?
If this car was one we were just going to sell on, that it weren't really that much effort that we were going to put into the car. It was just, you know, like a quick clean inside, a polish,
Flip
a clean,
it, yeah.
a wheel, you know, a service and that, and you know, a little tidy up, a little wheel refurb just to make them look better. Then yeah, that would be great. But for something that we're putting so much effort into, I'm not happy with the wheel.
No, so I think what's going to happen is, at some stage, we're going to, at the minute, I think we're going to probably put the tyres on.
Yeah, we'll put the tyres and the wheels on.
Because obviously we need it rolling again for when we get it painted and stuff. And then when it goes for paint work, we may say to them, can you sort these out? Can you get them mint? And they'll say, yeah, I can do that, or whatever. No, we can't, you need to
Yeah.
So yeah, let's see. Let's not worry about that at the minute. We've had them powder coated. So yeah, so the wheels are there now. Put one of them in the boot. So I'm recording this as well, so I'll remember that, because I'll be like, where's the other wheel? So Dave, it's in the boot because I couldn't get it there because it's going to hit the shelf. So yeah, so we're going to drag this shell out and we're going to attempt to get the rear screen out. So you might see some smashed glass, hopefully not, and get the roof off. Let's see how it goes. So. Dave.
Yes, Sam, mate, flying through it.
Looks like you're doing a nice job there, mate.
Are you sure you approve?
Well, I ain't looked up close
Are
yet.
you sure you approve yet? Because
No,
you know.
crack it as long as you don't drill from my head when I'm under it.
Let some of that hot air out because you're so good at everything.
Oh, maybe there, you reckon?
Yeah, just a few more and I think so.
Obviously, you know we was doing the spot welds with a screwdriver. I thought treat us to this proper flat chisel. Spot welds for spot welds apparently. So Dave's out there drilling spot welds on the roof. So give this chisel a go, see if it's any good, see if we have to revert back to the screwdriver, but hopefully not. Sorry mate.
It's alright,
Got my rod. Got me rod in my face. Flaring that all up, ain't you?
Well, you're going to have to, ain't you? And then you get a little piece of wood and then knock it back down. Does it look like I'm a body specialist? Oh, now you've this side up, you are.
Right, so Dave's drilled the spot welds, we've ran the chisel underneath, popped them all on this side. Like I said, the other side I did previously when we first got the shell. So that's all done. Obviously it has been sitting out with a cover on, but it's just a bit of crap in there. But yeah, so what we've got to do now, obviously we've got the screen out because it's like bronzed or I'm trying to think what it's not solder, brazed. It's been like brazed. So obviously we've got to cut that with a grinder. We've got to obviously do the same on the back, so we've got to get this rear screen out. So we've been trying, it's a bit difficult, it's quite well sealed in, so we're going to have another go at that now. Right, Dave, we've accomplished.
Not accomplished.
Alright. Is it O or accomplished?
Me questioning it now. We've accomplished.
I'll let you do the dig.
Ready?
Yeah. Yeah, drop this now.
Oh,
Hey
there's still a little bit, so I ain't going to get aggressive.
Oh, it's just...
Get your little Stanley on there.
No, let's get aggressive. Go. One.
Cash.
Screen.
I'm actually really scared to put it. It's so flimsy. We don't need it, do we?
Wow, unless we break the other one. So, next attempt is obviously front windscreen's out. We're gonna next attempt, like I say, is gonna be cutting the roof at these points. Obviously, we've got the rear window out now, so obviously we're gonna cut them at these points. So, fingers, can't even cross my fingers, but
the claw.
seeing it from the wrong way, ain't ya? We'll start chopping this up. What do you reckon, Dave?
Let's do it.
Yeah, let's do it. So we've got this side loose now. So what we've done, we've overcut it. So obviously the original shell bit there is cut there. So we've overcut it. Obviously when we do that one, we've got to get everything bang on, but we can overcut it the other way because obviously that roof's no good. But obviously this is still spot welded in a section underneath, just underneath here. On this part, I don't know if you can get the camera to focus on. So once this roof's off, we can drill these spot welds off. That stays, and obviously we've got to do the opposite on the other shell, so everything all marries up good. So we're going to attempt that side now, and hopefully it goes like this side and comes off in one. You saying, Dave, we're loose?
We're loose. Right, let me just get the proper PPE.
What's that?
We're all about PPE round here, ladies and gents.
Oh, I don't need a pair of rubber. Oh no, he hasn't got for the rubber gloves. He's gone for the
proper
actual...
PPE, mate.
Fully kitted, ain't we? I think you got to go forward with it. Oh, not. Alright, you are. Any good, Dave?
And that is one on roof ski. Roof ski.
Right. Now all we've got to do is try and fit this, because obviously we've got all the underneath, all the...
Because ideally we need to take all this off.
Well, no, I don't think
I think you do, because look, you take this off.
You can, but I don't...
And what we need, the only thing we need is that.
Yes, put it back up a minute. Right. Leave that on, and the front one. Unstitch this little bit here.
Yeah.
Right, and that can stay.
But if you...
Yeah, you don't, do you understand what I mean?
Yeah, we'd have to have a look. Well, I think, yeah.
Well, either way, that needs to be all unstitched. I don't think it has, because that's going to cause us a bit of a headache, Dave, to unstitch all that. Because then that's then...
Yeah, I suppose both sides could come off, and then we use that
each
side.
Corner.
Yeah.
We've got to make that, keep that good on the car. Probably cut it here on the car, not this one. and then do the opposite, and it'll all meet up. So, but this roof is obviously all good. On ours, is obviously there's a big rusty hole here.
We'll have to give this a real good clean though before
what we're going to do, my idea is, I've seen this stuff, it's like a paint stripper. You've got obviously red overspray, and obviously you see all like inside here, it's all obviously painted. You don't want that red, you know what I mean? Or you don't want them painted over that. So I've seen this stuff, it's like a paint stripper sort of stuff, you know, like, I'm trying to think what, it's like a gel, remember?
Yeah.
I can't remember what anyway, it's called whatever it's called. Put that all over it, all over there, because obviously there's overspray here. And if we want all that grey, and like I say, it's been resprayed at some point, this car, because it runs here. I don't think that'd be like that from factory.
So if anybody wants to buy a Cosy, please comment, like and comment, and we'll get back to you.
Yeah, I think stitch this front part now. Well, we're not going to do that today, but that's the next obviously stage, and then I think we're going to then roll it on its side, and obviously like the rusty bits what we've got under there on the chassis I think are good on this. So obviously we're going to get it on its side, grind, like linish it back, see what it's like there. I need to take my bra off, it's doing me in. Linish it back.
Say it one more. I don't think they heard it.
Linish it back and see what the condition it's in. I can get copies of that panel, but like I've always said, copies and that aren't as good as the real deal, are they, Dave?
They're not, mate. They're not.
Yeah. So, yeah.
So yeah, are you happy?
I'm happy. A lot of people probably won't be looking at this and what we've done to it, but I'm afraid
it had to be done.
It had to be done. And
it was never going back on the road anyway.
No,
the floor pan's gone through. It was broken up years ago, and
you can't go back on
it was just left
to rot.
And we've fortunately ended up with off our mate, Cosy Dave, man.
He's alright, David.
Cosy Dave's alright.
We had a good day, haven't we, Dave?
Yeah, very good day.
We didn't need Jack, even though he was in a beer garden. Well, Jake's fell out of us because we told him the wheels were low good.
Yeah.
Happy, so.
He's quit now, he don't want nothing to do with us.
He said, yeah, I took the turbo down, as you can see in the video, we'll probably use it, but finally he's done me out, but he'll soon be back. He's always do. Yeah, they always do. They always come back then today.
They do, man.
So yeah, had a good day today. Got the roof off, got the rear window out. So yeah, we're going to tackle some more. But that's it for today. So what are you going to say, Dave?
Like and subscribe if you like the content. You know, keep us going.
Yeah, keep following, and you know what I mean.
Everything's
Comment,
much appreciated.
Comment. Be easy on us, because you know, don't hurt our feelings.
Or else we'll throw our dummy out.
Anyway, right, let's go and get sorted and get cleaned up.
Have a good weekend.
Have a nice one, yeah.